Hey, welcome to the Profitable Publishers YouTube channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, and I am excited to have you here. Now, this is the place where ambitious women like you can learn how to build profitable publishing businesses, whether you are writing and publishing your own books or helping others to publish theirs. If you are ready to write and publish your own mini her book series to share your story and expertise, start a hybrid publishing business to help others to share their voices and learn the systems and strategies to grow a sustainable business, you are in the right place. Every week, I'll share actionable tips, behind the scenes insights, and step by step guides to help you launch and scale your publishing business. Plus, I'll bring you the real talk on balancing life and business. Plus, I know how important it is to make this journey work for you. So, if this sounds like what you need, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on so that you never miss a video. And while you're here, comment below and tell me what your biggest goal for your publishing journey. And I cannot wait to connect with you, cheer you on. So let's do this together, girl. I got your back.